See, this has become an international issue in a way to tarnish the image of our country. These two nuns were falsely implicated in a case that you a shocking position of under 143 of BNS, human trafficking. And what is this human trafficking? From one BJP ruled state of India, Chhattisgarh, Durg railway station, to another BJP ruled state, Agra. So from frying pan to fire. See, this is a strange case, shocking case, and we try to raise this issue in the parliament also. Now we are here to meet. In fact, left delegation, left MPs already met them. All parties are there. And today our delegation is going to meet. Otherwise, we will meet them tomorrow. And we are hopeful of getting justice to these nuns. And this question of conversion does not arise. No conversion, no human trafficking. But falsely implicating, see, minorities are parts of our population. Minority rights are guaranteed in the Constitution. It's not anyone's generosity. And all sections of society should get justice. This is our demand, and we will continue our fight. Last year, at 2024 itself, there were 824 cases against Christians alone. This is the tragedy of the country. So what to do? We have to fight. And after BJP rule, things are worsening.
So do you feel this entire episode took place due to confusion?
Entire episode is a calculated drama by the BJP and Bajrang Dal. Especially Bajrang Dal has become a lumpen element. They have become an internal terrorist like that. Who gave them right to take law in their hands? This is the problem. This is the question. See, even police and other agencies are being influenced by these lumpen elements. So this cannot be tolerated. And this is not for Christians, not for Muslims. This is for the entire society. Our society, actually, there are a section in which there are non-believers also. This society is for all. वो भगवान का भी इच्छा ऐसा है ना. आम जैसा नहीं है एप्पल जैसा नहीं है जैक फ्रूट. दुनिया में भी ये अलग अलग है. मतलब इसका रंग अलग अलग है, fruits अलग अलग है, इंसान अलग अलग है. Diversity is the essence of life. So RSS and Bajrang Dal is trying to eliminate these things. Eradicate these things. This is not going to have, cannot be allowed.